Model, 2010 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCi 115PS 300 short wheelbase, low roof MOTED ready to work bargain open mouth smile. Body, yellow, panel van. Mileage, 147953. MOT, the 26th of July 2024. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 115PS DURATORQ, 2.2D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Brakes will need replacing shortly grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear.